So the seller sent this recliner over to me to test out, and I'm glad they did because I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then give you a breakdown about what it's all about. So let's begin. Please. And just like that, you saw how simple it was to assemble this recliner right out of the box. I would say within minutes, I had a fully functioning assembled recliner, and I was pleasantly surprised about how comfortable it is. Now, when you sit down in it, it does rock back and forth, which is nice, and it also swivels. Another nice thing about this recliner is that it is a little bit narrower and smaller, so it doesn't take up that much space. So if you're looking to put it into maybe a man cave or maybe a nursery, you'd be able to put this in the corner and it's not gonna feel like it's overpowering. Now, it also does come with a lower lumbar pillow for that lower back support. And then when you're ready to recline, you just simply pull up, push back, and now get ready to fall asleep because that's how comfortable this is. Overall, I'm really pleased with this product and can say that I will be using this for a very long time now. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these products. Go out and grab this recliner today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching and good luck for your purchase.